Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ingredients Inside. If you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button, press the bell icon to never miss any important update. So friends, today I'm gonna review Repel Sunscreen Plus Insect Repellent Lotion with SPF 50. It is from Counsil brand. It's a good sunscreen. It's a decent sunscreen. Comes in tube formation 11 and 110 ml. It is protecting you from UVA and UVB both. Broad spectrum sunscreen it is. So in this review that I'm gonna tell you, you must be thinking that you should be buying this sunscreen or no. If it happens that you should be buying it or no, then I'll tell you in this video that you should be buying. Should you buy it or no? Watch the video till the end so you understand that you should be buying it or no. So let's get started. Good sunscreen it is, and cream based sunscreen it is. SPF 50 chemical based sunscreen it is, protecting you from UVA and UVB. Nice sunscreen, protects you from UVA and UVB with zinc oxide. Nice antioxidant protection from Cancer Council brand. Nice sunscreen. Very, very less chemicals it is, but yeah, the it is little bit oily, but all in all it is a nice sunscreen. It is I felt the sunscreen was bit oily and made my skin a bit oily, but all in all it is a great sunscreen that can protect you from sun if you're going out in the sun. So it can probably protect you from sun. All in all, it is a nice sunscreen. Being in cream form, it is probably recommend to apply only on the face and the neck region, while the hands region is still not. Hands region is okay. You can apply it on hands also, but it is not recommended for body. Kids are safe to apply this. The sunscreen is safe to be applied on kids, but not infants, because infant skin is very sensitive and mild. If you're really conscious about your fairness and you want to protect your fairness, then I would probably recommend you to buy the Cancer Council sunscreen with SPF 50. SPF 50 is a decent SPF. There are other sunscreens in the market with more than SPF 50, but SPF 50 is a decent SPF. More than 50 SPF kinds of plays with your skin. So all in all, it is a nice sunscreen. It is a safe sunscreen, and it is a good sunscreen without any side effects, thereby protecting you from sun. Good brand, a good product. So I feel there is not much of a thinking that you should buy the sunscreen or no. If you have a budget, and if you want a sunscreen in a good budget, then this sunscreen is surely recommended for you. I really feel that you should go ahead and buy the sunscreen, because it is a good sunscreen and it is really recommended from my side to buy the sunscreen. And yeah, to buy the sunscreen and to apply it, and apply the sunscreen every 2 hours for better results. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.